Welcome back to Beauty for the Win. I want to show you the Charmed Aroma Lavender Bath Salts today. They look really nice. They actually have little flower pieces, lavender flower pieces in there. And of course there's the surprise jewel inside, which I believe is, right there it says a ring. And it says, treat your skin to a nourishing and luxurious bath salt soak. Enjoy the calming scent of pure lavender essential oil as you relax in warm, bubbly waters. So it actually gets bubbly, which is really cool. You don't see that a lot for bath salts. Once dissolved, you'll find the ring, of course. So there's sea salt, which is wonderful for your skin, absolutely good for exfoliation. Citric acid, there's sodium lauryl sulfoacetate, there's polysorbate 20, baking soda, lavender essential oil, lavender seeds, DNC Violet 2, which is the coloring, DNC Red, which is a coloring, 27 Lake. So let's open it up and let's try it out. There it is. Oh my goodness, wow. Ooh, is that ever fragrant, very potent. Smells amazing. Super lavender smell, not just faint but very strong. I love it. If you're a lavender person, you will absolutely love this stuff, I'm sure. So as you can see, the sea salt, the colors, and some lavender pieces in there. Look at that. Starting to foam up, which is really cool. And it still smells good. Thank you guys for watching.